How to use YouTube multi-channel network feature. To use the YouTube's multi-channel network feature, you first of all have to research and apply to an MCN. Find a reputable MCN that fits your content niche, such as gaming, music, or vlogging. Review their contract terms closely. Pay attention to the revenue split and the lock-in period. Submit an application on the MCN's official website with your channel metrics. Now you simply have to accept the invitation in YouTube Studio. Go to the YouTube Studio dashboard on your desktop, look for the notification banner or dashboard card that says network invitation or MCN link request. Click the get started of your invitation, read the terms. Now you simply have to click accept to finalize the link itself. From there, you can now set up your monetization and payouts, and also grant you free premium access to copyrighted music libraries as well. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.